Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And I haven't covered sand for I don't know how many weeks. So let's quickly see what sand is doing. So in my previous, 2 months ago, I covered, 1.5 months ago. Okay, let's see. I had told you that sand is moving in this channel. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, and you can clearly see this is the movement of sand. Okay, this is how it's moving. Okay, now. Uh, I mean, I can be wrong, but this is what this chart is telling me, okay? And I noticed this, beforehand, and I got a lot of, trolling and stuff for this because this resistance over here, it was actually telling you the story, this long-term resistance line, you can see sand hit it. Now it's coming down. It can come back and hit it again. Maybe I can be wrong, but at the moment, this is what it's doing. And you can see sand has some really strong support at this area. Okay, this is the area. Okay, and let's see. Okay, when it did this, okay, it broke out, went over here. But you can expect sand to do this, okay? If it breaks this, if you go in the daily time frame, you can see what it's doing. Okay, like create this resistance line, and then as soon as sand breaks this line in this channel, then you will see upside coming. Okay, because this is what sand, it's a great project, no doubt. Metaverse is really doing some great things. So I'm not saying sand, I'm not saying anything negative about sand. It's a great project doing great stuff. So look at this. you know, it comes, hits this, comes down, okay? And then you have this area of resistance, okay? You can also see this as a descending triangle, okay? Now let's see this move. Oh no, that can be correct, but let's see this, okay? So you can see as soon as it broke, it came down. Now we do have some strong support here. I'm not saying it's going to come down, but I'm just giving you the support, okay? Now it can clearly, uh, if you see sand do this, come here, now comes here, hit this and breaks this, expect a reversal coming, maybe or towards the upside, because you can see right now it is making lower lows. Okay, so this is not a good sign in the short term. Look at this lower lows. Okay, so momentum is to the downside. Okay, and if we just take this off, okay, you can also draw this line. Okay, right over there. Okay, and then you can see what's going on. Okay, you can see it broke it. It's trying to retest. If it comes back in, that's going to be great. But if it doesn't, expect it to fall somewhere over at the $3. Okay, now let's see it in the Fibonacci. Okay, you can clearly see it's testing this low over here. Okay, now if it breaks this low, you know that it's coming down to, like I told you, this yellow line, and this yellow line is at $3.38, a dollar below. Okay, now I'm not saying it will. If Bitcoin goes up and decides to go up like 5 or 7%, then you will see sand come up to $5 and either 20 cents or at least $4.80. Okay, so I'm not saying that This is the area, okay? I'm not saying that sand is gonna go to zero, okay? It's just this is how these patterns work. Look at this. When people were over here, it was going up, down, up, then up, down, like that, then up, down. This is how it works, okay? But long-term um, long-term price projection for sand, you can clearly see the next time it's gonna go up, okay? I'll just tell you. See, came down, hit the support, went up. The price over here was 0.07 cents. Okay, let me just put see price over here 0.07 cents. Sorry, my mic just went out. Okay, so here the price is 0.03 cents. So I mean it's like a 50% decline. Okay, but right after that, the more downside a coin has, the more upside it brings. Okay, so see, the next one it had was over here. So what was the target? 0.9 cents. So it went 3 cents above this price. Okay, now this downwards movement, the price was uh, 0.17. Okay, I mean 0.91. I'm sorry, I'm confused. Okay, so it was 0.07, came down 0.03, went up to 0.91 cents, then fell all the way to 0.17. Okay, so look at this decline over here. Okay, from there to there, it was a 77% decline, or let's say 80% decline. Okay, 82%. So after this, the price went above this price, and you can see where did it go? It went all the way up to $8.48 actually. $8. Let's just put it anywhere, okay? You get the point. So $8 and 83 or okay, 44 cents, okay? So it went all the way from here to here about 4,000, 42,000, 4,200%. So next time, see these prices, the reason I'm giving you these, this is how it's gonna work out, okay? Because probably in this year, metaverse is gonna be bigger or huge, whatever the news might be. Okay, whatever the news might be, this is what's gonna happen. Maybe this year, could be this year because things are looking promising. Okay, so you expect something like this. You can see zero. Let's redo this. 0.07 came down to 0.03. That's a 50% decline. Then went up to 0.91 cents. Okay, huge run up. Then came all the way down 80%, 0.17. Okay, then went up to $8.44. Now, even if it comes down, okay, I'm not now I wanted to go up today, okay, but even if it comes down to $3.52, that's not bad at all, okay, because look at these previous drops. Okay, this is a 50% drop, this is a 80% drop, uh, this could be about a 60% drop from its all-time high. Looking at where we are right now, well, it's a good dollar cost averaging zone actually. So even if we come down here, the next one up could be, uh, I mean, I'm I'm not saying it might go to 55 cents the way this is looking out to be, but then Bitcoin has to go to 150,000 to 200,000. Now I'm just looking at this channel over here because it's working out within this channel. If it does that, then I mean there are fireworks coming for sand. But let's see what happens. Overall, I think it's working out in the best manner, and it's a very good zone, like this drop. if we have this drop. Dollar cost averaging can be the best scenario for this coin. But yeah, guys, this is it for Sand. I hope you like this little scenario I just laid out. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Like my video, subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.